These jalapeno popper puff pastry twists are crispy, cheesy, spicy, and wildly addictive. And they're ready in under 30 minutes. They disappear at every game day, party, or gathering. Trust me, you'll want a double batch. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure to thaw 1 sheet of frozen puff pastry so it's easy to work with later. In a mixing bowl, add 6 ounces of cream cheese. Microwave it in 30-second intervals just until softened. This makes mixing much smoother. Next, add 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Thinly slice and remove the seeds from 3 jalapeno peppers. Then add them to the bowl for that signature popper heat. For the protein, I'm using half a can of Spam, but you can absolutely swap this with 6 strips of cooked chopped bacon. Dice the Spam, and we will fry it. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning to the bowl. Fry the Spam in a pan without oil. It will release its own fat. Cook until golden brown and crispy. Add the Spam and gently fold everything together until well combined. For the egg wash, whisk together 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of milk until smooth. Unroll the puff pastry sheet and evenly spread the filling over 1/2 of the pastry. Fold the remaining half over the filling and gently press to seal. Brush the top generously with the egg wash, then sprinkle with poppy seeds for extra color and texture. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, slice the pastry into 1-inch wide strips. Crumple your parchment paper first. It stays flat, lets steam escape, and helps everything bake crisp and even. Twist each strip and evenly space them out on the baking pan. Touch up with more egg wash anywhere it looks dry. Then finish with a little extra shredded cheddar on top. Bake on the middle rack for 15 to 20 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through until the twists are deeply golden and puffed. While those bake, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons milk. Add 1 teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, and onion powder, plus half a teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon Italian herbs, and a 1/4 cup fresh chopped parsley. Mix until smooth, creamy, and well combined. These just came out of the oven and they smell incredible. Look at how golden, flaky, and cheesy these puff pastry twists are. Crispy on the outside, soft and savory inside. Honestly, this is the moment that makes it all worth it. Puff pastry twists are best enjoyed fresh while they're at their flakiest, but they do hold their crunch for a few hours at room temperature, if left uncovered. To reheat, pop them in a 350-degree oven for 6 to 10 minutes, and they'll crisp right back up. These jalapeno popper puff pastry twists are everything you want in an appetizer. Crispy, cheesy, a little spicy, And so easy to make. They're perfect for game day, parties, or anytime you need a crowd-pleasing snack. Here are my tips to make these perfect. Keep the puff pastry cold, don't overfill, and seal before slicing. Twist gently, and rotate the pan for even baking. For the sauce, you can make a homemade dip like mine or use ranch. Both work perfectly. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves puff pastry. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. And I'll see you in the next video.